In this video, I'll show you how to add your Facebook profile to Meta Business Suite step by step. Your personal Facebook profile is used to access and manage your business assets in Meta Business Suite. First, open your web browser and go to Meta Business Suite. Sign in with your personal Facebook account. If you already have a business portfolio, you'll be taken to your dashboard automatically. If not, click Create Business and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your business account. Next, open Business Settings and click People to confirm that your Facebook profile has admin access. If your profile isn't listed, an existing admin will need to invite your Facebook account and assign the appropriate permissions. Once your profile has access, you can manage your Facebook pages, Instagram accounts, ad accounts, and other business assets directly from Meta Business Suite. Remember, your personal Facebook profile is not displayed publicly as part of your business. It simply provides secure access to manage your business assets. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.